Today, I'm going to show you why you always have to soak your wood chips. Okay? Super important for you to get that good, solid smoke. Bear with me. Let's watch and see what happens. So, if you just take your wood chips and put them in here, I'm using some Western today. I'll get a good chunk. You're just not going to get a good smoke out of this. It's going to take forever. If you try to just do it the old way. So, here's what you do. Yep. Now, the best way to soak this, use about a cup or so, good old lighter fluid. Really just the best way to soak your chips. There you go, folks. That's why it's so important to always soak your wood chips. Now, a lot of people ask me, how do I get the best smoke from these chips on my meat? I'm going to show you the secret. Using that. So, take our chips. Just like that. That's how you get it, folks. Now, personally, I find getting the chip container the hardest part of using wood chips. Honey bird. There you go. Finally got it. You can see, here's what I got going on now. Those wood chips definitely had a nice fire going. So, if you got any tips or tricks, please, feel free to comment. Let me know what I need to improve or what's the right way to use these. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks all.